Here is the jack that came with my mid-sized truck. It is a very small, lightweight bottle jack with a long arm with a hook on it. The arm is 3 pieces you have to put together. It is also used to lower the spare tire. After you get your jack out, you have to hook this 3-piece metal arm to the little bottle jack and slide it under your truck. But it doesn't stay straight. It turns left, turns right. When you finally get it under there, it's such a lightweight jack that when you start cranking it up, the jack falls over. And it keeps falling over until you can get it steady somehow. And it took several tries to get it right. The last time I had a flat tire was in the middle of the summer. It was 90 degrees. It was just horrible. And it took so long to get the truck jacked up. And I got so frustrated, I almost ended up calling a wrecker for just a flat tire. So there's a lot of solutions out there. I could carry a 2-ton floor jack if I wanted to, but I decided to go the route of the safe jack. And I saw it online and I bought it and I'm very happy with it and it's very safe. And here's a video of it. A lot of people are going to say, well, it's not very stable. It's just a bottle jack. It's going to tip over. And they make a stabilizing plate for it if you're going to use it on soft ground or off-road. I recommend getting one of these. There's a little assembly by putting a few bolts in it and some washers and some wing nuts. And after you get that, you just set the bottle jack on top and tighten down the wing nuts. And there you have it. And it's super stable. I mean, the bottle jack is heavier than the factory jack, so it's stable anyways. But if you're looking for more stability on soft dirt, gravel, sand, off-road, definitely get this plate with the safe jack. And I don't think you'll have any trouble at all. It's great quality. Another thing this plate would be good for but I have not tried it, would be to place it on top of a traction board if you're out in the woods or out in the mud somewhere or the sand. That might possibly work great. I have not tried it though.